Hello guys, we know the equation of plane in general form, also in the normal form. The equation of plane in general form is ax plus dy plus cz plus d equals to 0. The coefficient of x, y, z in the equation of plane, that is a, b, c, are the direction ratios of a line which is normal to the plane. And the equation of plane in normal form is given by Lx plus My plus Nz is equals to P. In this equation, the coefficients of x, y, z, that is L, M, N, are the direction cosines of a line which is normal to the plane. And small p is a perpendicular distance of plane from the origin. Okay. Now we shall see third form of equation of plane, which is called as a intercept form, or name of article is intercept form of the equation of a plane. Now we shall obtain the intercept form of the equation of plane. Means find the equation of plane in terms of intercepts a, b, c, small a, b, c, which make it on the axis. Now we must know what mean by intercept. Intercept means the line at which cut the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Suppose this is a line. This is the coordinate axis, and suppose this is one plane. One minute, I am redrawing. And suppose this is a plane, which may intersect ABC on coordinate axis. Suppose this is x-axis, z-axis, this is the y-axis. Then if this is the origin O, so this point is P, Q and R. The intercepts are given as A, B, C. That means x-intercept is A, y-intercept is B, and z-intercept is C. Now intercepts. Listen carefully. Intercepts, not intersect. If A is a x-intercept, then A is the distance of a plane at which point cut in x-axis. Distance of that point from the origin is A. That means this distance is A. Okay. As this distance is A, what are the coordinates of point P? The coordinates of point P must be A, 0, 0. The coordinates of point P, A, 0, 0. Again, y-intercept is B. This is given to you. Y-intercept is B. That means the plane in which point cut to the y-axis and distance of that point from the origin is B. The plane cut the y-axis in the point Q, and therefore distance is OQ is small b, and coordinates of point Q are 0, B, 0. 0, B, 0. Similarly, this distance is small c, and coordinates of point R are 0, 0, small c. Okay, that means if A, B, C are the intercepts made by plane on coordinate axis, then distance of the point at if this plane cut the coordinate axis at the points P, Q, R respectively, then Coordinates of point P are A 0 0, B Q 0, B 0 and R 0 0 C. That means if A, B, C are the intersects of a plane made of coordinates axis, then the plane intersect to the coordinate axis in 3 points whose coordinates are given here. You can clearly observe that the plane does not pass through the origin. Plane does not pass through the origin because which intersect the coordinate axis. Actually, this our y-axis is perpendicular to the plane of both. X-axis is in this direction, z-axis is in direction, and plane will be like this, which does not pass through the origin. As the plane not passes through the origin, the constant term in the equation of plane must be equals to 0. Okay? Now to obtain the equation of plane in intersect form, we assume that the equation of plane will be ax plus by plus cz plus d is equals to 0. Okay? Now here a, b, c and d these are the unknowns which is to be determined. Now, just I have told that the plane does not pass through the origin and therefore the constant term in the equation of plane is always equals to is not equal to 0. If it passes through the origin, constant term must be equals to 0. That is not passes through the origin, constant term is not equal to 0 and therefore this constant term d is not equal to 0. Okay? And then the plane passes through these 3 points that I have written here. The points A 0 0, 0 B 0 and 0 0 C lie on the plane 1. Because it is a required equation of plane, this is our assumption, and therefore these 3 points lie on the axis as well as the plane. As the point A 0 0 lie on this plane, it must satisfy the equation of plane. And therefore putting x is a, y is 0 and z is 0 in equation 1, we get capital A into small a, b into 0 plus c into 0, this term becomes 0. That means what we get? Small a into capital A plus b equal to 0. I have written here. Okay, after putting a 0 0 in equation 1, you will get the equation small a into capital A plus b equal to 0, and then simplifying this, transfer this on right side, it will become minus d, and then divide by a, minus b goes on right side, and you can write this as a upon d, then dividing by d, as d is not equal to 0, you can write minus a upon d is equals to 1 upon a. You can verify this. Then for second point, 0 b 0, put in equation 1, then first term becomes 0, third term becomes 0. This is small b into capital B plus b equal to 0. This is our equation. Small b into capital B plus b equal to 0, and simplifying this, you will get minus b upon d is equals to 1 upon d. Okay? Now for third points which lie on the z axis, 0 0 c, substituting equation 1, first two term becomes 0, we get small c into capital C plus b equal to 0, and simplifying this we shall get minus capital C upon d is equals to 1 upon small c. This is the capital C and this is the small c. Okay? As d is not equal to 0, we can divide minus b by equation 1, and we get this as minus a upon b into x minus b upon b into y minus c upon d into z minus 1. But this minus 1 on right side become plus 1, and after dividing by d to equation 1, we to get the equation minus a upon dx minus b upon dy minus c upon dz is equals to 1. Actually, this is minus 1. On right side, it can be written as a plus 1. Is it clear? Now, substitute the value of minus a upon d in this equation. What is minus a upon d? 1 upon a. It is a 1 upon a into x. 1 upon a into x can be written as x upon a. Then minus b by d. Minus b by d is plus 1 upon b. Therefore, it is plus 1 upon b into y. That is plus y upon b. Is it clear? Now, third value minus capital C upon d. This minus capital C upon d is equals to plus 1 by c, and this is equal to become plus 1 by c into j. Plus 1 by c into j can be written as plus z upon c is equals to 1. Now this is the required equation of the plane in terms of intersects a, b, c. Is it clear? This is the equation of plane in terms of intersect a, b, c. That means when we write the any equation of plane in this form, x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equals to 1, then a, b, c are the intersects made by the plane on coordinate axis. Is it clear? Now we shall see one problem. Okay. Problem. Find the intersects of the plane of the plane 2x minus 3y 2x minus 3y plus z is equals to 12 on coordinate axis. Now we have to find intersect made by plane 2x minus 3y plus z equal to 12 on the coordinate axis. Okay. To obtain the intersect or this plane, we have to write the plane in this form. Okay. Solution. The given plane is 2x minus 3y plus z is equals to 12. This is the given plane. Now we have to write in this form, that means on right side we require 1. To obtain 1 on right side, we shall divide this equation by 12. That means dividing by 12 we get 2x upon 12 minus 3y upon 12 dividing both sides by 12 plus z upon 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1. Okay. After dividing by 12. Further it can be written as 2 upon 12 is 1 upon 6. And therefore it can be written as x upon 6 minus 3 upon 12 is 1 by 4. That means it is minus y by 4 and plus z by 12 is equals to 1. Now this is the equation of plane in terms of intercepts ABC. These A, B, C are the intercept made by this plane on coordinate axis. And therefore if we compare with this, the 6 minus 4, this is a plus. Or if you want, you can write this as a plus minus. Because these are the plus signs. We can rearrange in that form. And therefore 6 minus 4 and 12 are intercepts of the plane, of the given plane on coordinate axis. This is a solution of problem. Such type of question can be asked for MCQ because it is very small. You can calculate orally also divided by 12. What are the denominators? And these denominators are the intercept made by plane on coordinate axis. Any problem can be solved by this manner, which can be asked for MCQ. Students, we have seen different types of equations of plane. First of them is general equation, which can be written as ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Second type is lx plus my plus nz is equals to p, and third type is x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equals to 1. First equation is called as general equation. This equation is in normal form, and this equation is in terms of intercept, or it is a intercept form, general form, normal form, and this is a intercept form. In general form, A, B, C are the direction ratios of normal to the plane. In normal form, L, M, N are the direction cosines to the normal of the plane, and in intercept form, this A, B, C are the intercept made by plane on the coordinate axis. Okay, with this problem, we conclude our today's lecture. Thank you.